Your pants are soaking wet, Riley.
I don't care.
What did you do?
I can't
Truck with you, lady.
Yeah, we lost. Just let them go.
Yeah, exactly. We can just take all their pants and boots off in the car and put a blanket over.
Yeah, I have that blanket in the trunk. We're good. I thought about bringing extra clothes, but I didn't. Hi.
Hi.
Because we're bullies.
Full of water. Are y'all cold yet?
No,